When chemists make measurements, the numbers that we record can be quite complex. Students beginning their chemical education can find it rather difficult to use these in calculations. In order to simplify the use of these numbers in calculations, we've come up with 4 simple rules for finding which digits are actually significant of the values. We term these as significant figures. Significant figures just refers to the digits of a measurement. We use these in our calculations so we can't overstate our accuracy of the measurement. Now, the first rule of significant figures is that all non-zero digits are significant. For instance, this number, 3.14 grams. All 3 digits are non-zero, so we have 3 significant digits. Second rule is that all zeros between significant figures are significant. So in this example, 1.01 atmospheres, the 0 is between the ones, so it is significant. So it is 3 significant figures. The third rule is that the zeros at the beginning of a number are never significant. For example, 0.000117. The zeros in front of the 117 are not significant. So again, we're left with only 3 significant figures. Okay, the fourth rule is that the zeros at the end of a number are significant if a decimal point is written in the number. Take, for example, these 2 number values. 2,500 grams. There's no decimal point, so the zeros are not significant. We're left with just 2 significant figures. 25.50 kilograms. Since there's a decimal point in this number, the 0 at the end of the 25.5 is significant, so we're left with 4 significant figures. Now, for practice, try these to find the significant figures of these numbers. $39.00. Since it has a decimal point in this value, all the zeros are significant. So we have 4 significant figures. Now, number 2, 15 million. There's no decimal point in this number, so the zeros following the 15 are not significant. So we're just left with 2 significant figures. Now, 900.009, the 9's bracketed the 4 zeros, so those zeros are significant. We're left with 6 significant figures. And the last digit, since there is a decimal point and the last 0 is significant, so we are left with 5 significant figures.